To change quality in Crunchyroll TV, first thing that you're going to do is select first a movie or anime that you'd like to watch from the Crunchyroll TV. Afterwards, click on the Start Watching so that you will be able to see there the watch options, or you will see there the anime movie that you wanted to watch. On the movie, you will be able to see there a gear icon that is located at the lower right. Now, once you see the gear icon, go ahead and click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to see there the quality options. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on that as well. After clicking on the quality options, you will be able to see there the qualities such as highest, moderate, and data saver. Now you can go ahead and choose what type of quality would you like to see on the Crunchyroll TV.